私と小鳥と鈴と。私が両手を広げてもお空はちっとも飛べないが、飛べる小鳥は私のように地べたを速くは走れない。私が体をゆすってもきれいな音は出ないけど、あの鳴る鈴は私のようにたくさんな歌は知らないよ。鈴と小鳥と、それから私。みんな違ってみんないい。Me, a songbird and a bell, spread my arms though I may. I'll never fly up in the sky. Songbirds fly, but they can't run fast on the ground like I do. Shake myself though I may, no pretty sound comes out. Bells jingle, but they don't know lots of songs like I do. Bell, songbird, and me, all different, all just right.